you have actually a secret product. We were not supposed to talk about it at the beginning, but now we can. And you have a new audio device.
Yeah.
So first of all, what it's all about? Why being so secret?
This is a CineD Gear News video supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi, I'm Johnny from CineD, and I'm here with Lawrence from Hollyland. How are you?
I'm good, Johnny. Thanks for stopping by our booth at InterBEE 2023.
All right, let me just get myself a bit more comfortable. InterBEE 2023, and you have a new audio device.
Yeah.
So first of all, what it's all about?
Well, we're not going to publish this video until January 10th. I think that's the exact date. But we're still demoing this to see how people act on it. And this, as you can see, the secret about it. Let me take it out first. So maybe you can use that one. Is about the micro. Check out the size.
That's amazing. That's really amazing. I mean, this also on the Hollyland microphone. The difference is amazing. So why did you decide to go and do it so small?
Yeah, because I think the intention will be something that in your mind as well. That's why you cover up the logo. So we want it to be unnoticeable, right? And then you can do a lot of things with it, like a lot of wearing options, and also we can talk about this in a bit. But you can also hide it under your collar as well. Yeah. So and we want it to be light, so you don't even feel that this mic is existing.
The size is really amazing. I'm very impressed with the size, and I'm actually impressed that it's not so flashy, which means sometimes you don't want the attention here. How about the audio quality? What should we expect from such a device?
Right. That's actually the second. So the biggest selling point, I would say selling point for this product is the size. Excuse me for my hiccups.
Actually, this is for what? For the last days like this, no?
I don't know what's happening, but for these a few days I've been doing hiccups. Ugh.
So please excuse us, but the information is quite important here. So we do it with the hiccups.
Okay, thank you. And the second one would be the audio quality. So we're actually it's called a LARK M2. Sorry if we didn't mention the product name. And we are actually aiming this with the same audio quality similar to our LARK Max.
Very interesting. How about in terms of controlling? Because with the LARK Max, it's very easy to control.
Right.
Like the receiver is very flexible.
Right.
And here I don't have any LCD screen or anything, so I'm going to control everything.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys are familiar with our LARK M1. So this is LARK M2. This is the camera version. So as you can see, it comes with a 3.5 audio jack, and this is a USB-C. And for this one, you can see there are lights over here, and this is a knob control for the gain, for the audio volume control, and the lights you can see it changes. So it's easy control, and this one is similar to our LARK M1, and this is our director connector, like a microphone with the director connectors. This will be similar to our LARK C1, right? So this is the Android version, and we also have the iOS version. So you don't see actually a lot of buttons over here, but there is one. This one is a noise canceling button, similar to this one that we have. The reason why we create this one is we want it to be a run and gun, easy to use product. So there is no complex setups, and you cannot actually do a lot of settings with this product, like our LARK Max. LARK Max is more like I would say is more like a pro version of this product.
Okay.
Right.
But I see that there is no way to connect external microphone here. That's one of the limitations, unfortunately.
Yeah,
why is that? Why did you choose this path?
Because we have to go a little bit extreme. So if we go extreme, then we cannot add another port. Because if you want to monitor the audio from here, you have to create another 3.5, right? And I don't know if you have a microphone. If you do a 3.5, it has to be light, right? You have to go into the depth, and we have to make this bigger, right?
So you're actually selling this device already in some regions of the world?
Only in China.
Only in China.
Yeah.
But under a different brand name.
Yeah.
Why?
Our brand in China is called MoMA. So, but that one is only for our domestic brand. Domestic market. And for international market, we are selling under Hollyland. So that's the difference.
Do you know about the pricing?
I do have the price point. So we have a few SKUs. We are actually now, for this, we have like a combo package, which means we have this plus a receiver. So that will be a combo package, and it's priced with 179 USD. And then this SKU, this one is the camera version, and this is a 100, I think it's 159, yes. And then this one with either USB-C or Lightning, this is a 149. Yeah.
Good. Lawrence, did I miss anything? Because I see it comes with a charging case, USB-C, very, very lightweight.
Right. I think I do want to mention a few key features. Probably I didn't mention it to you. So the weight of this is 9 grams. 9 grams. So we call it like all in one button. So it's like a button-sized wireless microphone, as you can see.
And I see that the attachment is with magnets. So
Yeah,
those
with
magnets must be very strong.
Very strong, very strong.
It's really nice for slow motion.
Right. And we have different options. This is just a magnet clip, and we also have like a clip version. So it's also magnet. I don't have it here, but it's also like so there are actually 3 ways to wear this microphone. One is a clipping. Oh, sorry, not clipping. Magnet, and then another one is clipping, but also using the magnet. And the third one is we have like a necklace, similar to our LARK Max, but better design with a smaller magnet, so you can attach to it for wearing. So that's 3 different options. And also we have an app for this product. It's a LARK Sound app. So we will be able to control the volume, noise cancellation, and see the audio meters over there, and a few other settings. And another small thing is, if you are using your mobile devices and you connect it to the transmitter, receiver, you can actually use this to control the mobile phone.
Oh wow!
Let's say that it's connected to your mobile devices, and you usually, I don't know if you use this, like when you do selfies, do you use the app?
So maybe that's the first selfie mic.
Yes. So you can actually use this one, just click twice, and it can stop recording or start recording. Yes. And also, I think there's also taking photos, right? So that's also a small little touch for that. And audio quality, as I mentioned, actually that's the second biggest selling point. The audio quality is really good. It's 48K hertz, yeah, 24-bit, not 32 yet again. But we are aiming.
Good. Lawrence, thank you very much for sharing the information so early, even if this video will be shared with the audience 2 months from now. But still,
I think we are going to have a lot of details more to share by January, yes. Yeah, just to touch a few key features.
First look.
Yes. Just a quick intro. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Excuse us for the presentation noise.
It is what it is.
Yes, thank you.